In a two-handed variation of the popular game Rock Paper Scissors called Rock Paper Scissors -1, and it was accompanied with Russian roulette to increase the stakes and make it more deadly. When playing this game, players use both of their hands when doing rock, paper, scissors, and once they've drawn, -1 is then shouted, and whoever holds the winning hand based on which single hand is left is victorious. As we saw in the show, each round's loser was met with the chamber of a gun being spun with a singular bullet being inside of it, and the trigger would then be pulled towards them. If the bullet wasn't within the chamber, then they'd move on to the next round. The game is ultimately lost when a player is killed. The players had a 1 in 6 chance of being killed, and because the game was going on for too long, the recruiter put 5 bullets in the chamber to change the odds in favor of death, rather than life. Something which made the game significantly more unfair. This was a game that wasn't necessarily the most creative one, as it was relatively basic and it didn't require that much in terms of a set. But it was definitely a tense one because it was intimate, it was between two friends, and we saw the likelihood of death being high because it was played until there was a loser. This is also a version of the game that is mostly popular in Korea without the Russian roulette being